Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my last wig review for a little bit. I have on my head today, this is a Dolce in Crimson LR, which is a hybrid roots. Here is her tag. This was sent to me by the wonderful Miss Denise. I will have her channel linked down below. I had told Miss Denise there was 3 wigs I had on my radar: Jackson, Reese, and Dolce. And she happened to have all 3. And she's like, I'll send them to you. You can try them on. You can review them. And that way it'll help you kind of pick which style you like the best. So far, Jackson is in the lead. This is Dolce, and I really like Dolce. She's just shorter. She's a lot shorter. But she's super cute. But today's video, we're going to be doing the Reese. And Reese is in large cap. And my Sky is in large cap. So I know it's going to fit me a lot better than this. This is average. I mean, it still fits. She's a little snug. So I want to see how this large cap fits. So we're going to take Reese. No, this is Dolce, Shannon. We're going to take Dolce off. And I do have on. Did I lose my my wig cap? I lost my wig cap. Where'd it go? It's right here. Okay. I was gonna say I have on a wig cap because these are not mine, and I'm staying sanitary. So let's get this wig cap back on. I do have a ponytail going on the top and not the back this time. And I'm not used to putting on a wig cap. I've never put on a wig cap, so forgive me. I know that was like, Shannon, how do you put on this wig cap? There we go. And then I have on my wig grip. This was a brand new wig grip, so again, it was clean. It was a brand new one. Okay, now we are ready. Get my ears out from underneath there. Oh, girls and boys, it's been a long week. Today is my first day off, so, and the hubby was under the weather. I was under the weather. So it's just been an under the weather kind of past week. I'm going to go ahead and turn Dolce back inside out and put her tag with her so I don't mix anything up. Put her back in her bag. Okay. This one is Reese. And here's her tag. So this is Reese large cap in marble brown R. So if you watched all 3 of these, you also get to see 3 different colors. And, oh, she's in her hairnet. Girl, you got her all situated. Oh, I like this color. This kind of goes with the color I've got. Just a little different. I'm going to go ahead, because she's right side out. Flip her around. Show you the cap construction, which is a basic Noriko cap. There's a few little strays sticking through, and I'm just poking them back through the cap. All right, so cap construction. We have the basic cap construction. You guys know Noriko, and the lace ear tabs, not moleskin, the extended bra straps. This one does have an extended nape. There's her tags. This one has really good stretch. Let's flip her back around and look at her color. And what did I do with my comb? I'll go ahead and comb her through. This kind of reminds me of the Jackson, just shorter. And she has some bang on her, so cool. Also kind of reminds me of my Sky. All right, so yeah, I can already tell just by holding it that it's bigger. I can just tell. So, oh yes, oh yes. the coverage. I can already feel like the coverage difference. And let's pick you up, scoot you back. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, this one kind of reminds me of my sky with, and I did cut some, a little bit of more bang into sky just because of my little short forehead. I just nipped the ends on her fringe a little bit. I like Jackson the best. Just that length I really like. For the summer, I think the Dolce, the shortness of the Dolce is really good, but this is good too. It's not real long in the back. So it would be a good summer. But to me, it seems like there's a lot of volume here and not here, just from my face shape. I mean, it's not bad. I'll have to go back and watch the video just to be sure. But it seems like there's a lot of volume here and not here to kind of balance out my face. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know down below what you guys think. If it rounded out more here, you know what I'm saying, instead of up here. Let me see if I can manipulate this girl a little bit. Okay, let me do my turn. Yeah, I think this is my least favorite of the three. I really like the color. Let me show you the permatease there under the lights. I really like this color though. Yeah, to me it's just too much like this for me. All right, let's go see what she looks like out in the sunshine. All right, guys, we are out in the sun. Ooh, it's almost time for my hubby to mow some grass. But here is the permatease out in the sun so you guys can see. And the color. Hey, pumpkin. And for the large, I didn't show you guys the coverage inside. I have a little bit of coverage around the perimeter of my face. The ears come down a little bit better. Pumpkin, what are you doing, pretty little girl? What are you doing, pretty girl? She's not bad. I just like the other two better on my face shape. All right, let's get up here in the shade. See, in a shady. Oh, you kitties need some water, don't you? I do like that she has like a bang. It's growing on me. I can definitely say that the more I look at it, it's growing on me. All right, guys, this was Reese in large cap, and I can definitely tell you large cap fits so much better. And I'll have all her information, all her specifications, the link to her on Wig Studio 1. I'll have all of that listed down below in the description box, so be sure you check out all the information down there in the description box. Be sure you hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because we have a giveaway coming very soon. We have a giveaway. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.